Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another backtesting 1 week a day until unprofitable series. I think this is episode 30. Not really too sure, but uh, yeah, let's just get straight into it. Today was a bit rough. I did take a loss, and it wasn't a very good loss. I kind of FOMO'd in a little bit, wasn't being super patient. I also missed a crazy trade. So the main goal today is to just be selective and to like try to just manage my emotions, I guess, and to just not mess up. Um, and to just take whatever I'm like super confident in. So, yeah. Without further ado, let's just get straight into it. I just want to open my window a little bit because it's looking mad hot. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. I bet. Okay, cool. Now you guys got a little bit of background noise too. That's fire. Okay. I bet. So we got weekly unfilled above. Yeah. Yo, what the flip? Okay, weekly unfilled above. We got a weekly unfilled below. We're in clear bullish delivery right now. Tapped into this daily. Tapped back into equilibrium. Nicely. What's it? Oh, okay. Unfilled 4 hour above. We do have an SMT with buy side though, and then a really strong rejection. I'm not a big fan of that, to be honest. Okay, so we have edged equilibrium, or we have edged London session lows. We might just pull back into this and then respect because that is around equilibrium. Yeah. Or maybe tap this order block. I don't know. I don't really think that we're going to see lower off that. I don't think it makes much sense. Like, the next target is all the way down here compared to just up here. And we're overall more bullish delivering from internal to external. I feel like this SMT is weaker than this low. However, we do have some pretty stacked sell side here, so maybe if we displace through, I guess if we displace through this, then I could see lower. But yeah, these for value gaps here is gonna be like the main thing that I would want to see us hold higher from. Do we have good like, yo, what the heck? What happened at 9? Damn. Okay, we have a DM at 9. Ooh. Did we soup out? I guess we souped out NFP highs. Yeah, slightly. But we did edge this high, which is good. Okay, well, we'll see. I don't know. It's a little bit weird, but yeah, we'll see if we get some structure. Looking a bit more bullish here. We have IRL to euro, and then took euro on ES, and then pull back to one session low and 100 BSC, which is my condition to see higher. Yo, Loki, maybe I can go on the 2 hour. Okay, we have actually we have 2 hours. It's fine. I'll just use the 1 hour. Yeah, pull back to London lows, 1 hour BSC. Yeah, if we get bullish, if we get something super clearly bullish, then I could look for longs. If we run through the 1 hour, then I could see shorts. Draw liquidity is going to be either range high, or I guess high of day. Yeah, actually just range high. Oh my gosh. Either range high, or if condition is met, then LRL. Conditions 1 hour busy. Strength of draw. I give this a 3. It's not super strong. However, I do think that we can maybe see shorts off of, if we pull back into like a 15 minute maybe. Yeah, if we push up into that 15 minute, I could see shorts down to these lows. I think that wouldn't be too bad. Okay, never mind. Alright. Ooh. Not a big fan of this. I mean, like, it'll probably play out. I mean, at least to this high. But I don't really feel like there's a point to take this. I mean, it's a good 930 Judas. Souped out that low. That's fine. We have good true manipulation here. Ooh, we have an SMT at this low. I don't know. I mean, maybe if... Targets are decent if we take this... If we, like, get a pullback before taking that high. At least back to, like... Oh, equilibrium is right there. I mean, I guess maybe this is totally fine. Like, if we just do something like that. Is that equilibrium of this wick? Not EQ is right there. So I'd probably put stops like right here. Just targeting a 1-to-1. I feel like that would make sense. Yeah, it's just... actually, not low-key because we do have the SMT with the 15 minute. I'm just going to forward test it. Oh yeah, ends up playing out. Just not super clean. Yeah, honestly, I think this was a pretty bad trade. SMT at buy side, no other targets really other than these highs, but that's like 70 points away, so you know, it's not great. But yeah, I guess we're just ripping to external now, I would think. Yeah, okay. Well, we took external before 10 a.m., so maybe if we generate some buy side, then I can take long off of 10 a.m. open. That wouldn't be horrible. Okay, so 10 a.m. is open now. Wow, that is a fat 1 hour candle. Damn. We do have this 15 minute. This 15 minute would be really nice if we could tap into that. That's really the only way that I could see longs. And generates buy side, hopefully. Okay. We are generating some clean buy side. It's not bad, low key. Like, I think this is actually pretty clean. We have a 30 minute, we're 30 minutes opening right now. We're a bit premiumed. However, yeah, maybe we could see a manipulation into equilibrium. I don't know, we'll see. Ooh. Okay, I don't really like this time to close very much. Do we trade back into... Ooh, we did trade back into this RB, actually. Okay, so CE of the rejection block got hit. Do we have a... What is it? 3 minute? 4 minute? No, 2 minute. Oh, it's a 2 minute. Ooh, there was an inversion right before that. That's a bit weird. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this 2 minute close. Okay. I can take this. Stops at those lows. TP at these highs. We have that 4 hour just above. We did take out daily buy side liquidity, but then after we got the pullback into the 15 minute, into the 30 minute, and then rejection block held nicely. Really good displacement here. Good targets above. I'm not really too sure where I'm going to break even though. I guess no break even, I would think. Or maybe if we push up above this high, pull back into a fair value gap, and then displace above that, I can go break even there. But I think this is pretty A+. I mean, or not A+, I would say A. Just because this high was taken. But that happened before 10 a.m. And we just generated liquidity since then. We're obviously still bullish overall. And we're getting really good displacement off of, I guess this is what, 10:15 open low. 10:30, wait, where's 10 a.m.? Oh, we have some nice stacked PL3s here. This is 10 a.m. So we're in time discount. This is 10:15 right here. I don't really want to mark that off, but actually, yeah, 10:15. 10:15. And then 10:30 is just down here, so 10:30. Oh, I'm tripping. How do I do this? Okay, 10:30. Nice. So we have 10 a.m. open low, 10:15 open low, and then 10:30 open low, and then now we have stacked PO3s with a really good inversion on the 2 minute. So yeah, I mean, and bullish order flow is holding. That 5 minute rejection block is holding. We have a very clean PDI here. I can't really see why this would be a bad trade. So we took daily ERL and then pull back into the 15-minute BSC at EQ with, it's more of a uni actually, with stacked PO3s, and yeah, so pull back into the 15-minute stacked PO3s and generated buy sign above with external being 4 hour unfilled, and now we have super clean displacements off the 15-minute and 10:30 manipulated the RB internally. Oh, maybe there was a nice 30-second off this RB. Oh, there actually was. That's clean, bro. Yeah, I'm just not super confident in rejection blocks just yet, but damn, that's clean. Holy. I'd give this a 4. Yeah, I think all of these check out pretty nice. Do you have an SMT? No. That's time for my IFEG. Time is aligned. Do we have LRL or anything that stops? No. This low is protected by the CE of the rejection block, and this is intermediate term low, so yeah. Are we in discount? No. Have we manipulated everything we need to? Yes. I would not be mad if this was a loss. We did take daily ERL, but it was before 10 a.m. and we have everything we need now to push higher. Continue. And really good, what's it called? Really good displacement. Yeah. Okay. So this is gonna be a Monday. It's Monday, right? Yeah. Bullish. We're delivering from a daily for value gap. We're delivering from 1 hour session lows. We have an S&T, we have session raid, we have a soup of internal. Do we have a rejection block? Rejection? Nah. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah. So then internally we have 15-minute for value gap. Do we have? I don't think we. No, we don't have an S&T, right? Yeah. No. Okay. That's fine. Do we have a breaker? We do. We don't have EQ. Do we have an order block? Yep, we do. We don't have a 3 drive. Soup of internal cell side. I mean, we have a sweep. It's not really a soup. We have rejection block. Rejection. We have 3 stacked PO3s, which is really clean. Okay. Oh yeah, I think this is clean. So let's just see how this goes. Dang. Okay. I wonder if this ends up delivering or not. Oh wow. Okay. See, the thing is, this was kind of like today, but I feel like maybe we needed more like immediate targets. You know? Because we didn't really have anything like super close. I don't know. I do think that was pretty clean though. Yeah, I guess. I guess I just had the wrong draw. Okay. I think this was pretty good, but I guess I just had the wrong deal. And like, I don't think it's the fact that we took out this daily high, because the 4-hour closed nicely above it. 1 hour looked really clean to continue that 4-hour. I think everything was showing pretty clear bullish. We had a good 15-minute close too. Like, I think just like everything was showing bullish. But yeah, a little bit surprised, but that's good. That means that it was an A plus, or not A plus, but like maybe A, or just like highly rated. Yeah. Main DOL hit and rest of day ended up dumping. Okay. On to the next day. Okay. Wow. So we have weekly unfilled right here. Took out previous week's high. We're now dumping. Just took out daily intermediates from low. Delivering off this 4-hour. Just took out ERL. We do have this unfilled 4-hour just below, so we may want to see a little push down to that and then retrace back to internal. I feel like that would make a lot of sense. We have this unfilled hourly right here. Yeah, I'd like to see pullbacks to that. Yeah. Yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense. I just want to see. We also have stacked session highs here. I don't know, I'm not like super bearish right now. Just because like if we were gonna be bearish, like I would be okay with being bearish after this sweep if like I don't know, maybe if London swept this high back into this 4 hour and then we just had good displacement, this hourly was tapped and we were in bearish order flow, but this isn't bearish order flow, you know? Like we're just leaving buy side. So when I see that flip in order flow, I'm gonna be inclined to take longs. I don't know. I might even be just like off of a reversal, but I feel like that's a little bit risky just because this overall day has been pretty bearish. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But leaning bullish for rebounds. So just took out daily intermediate turn low. And then now I think, wait, and then we have unfilled 1 hour above and relative equal highs at session highs. So I think we could see a pullback to rebalance these things. Yeah. Drawn liquidity is going to be 1 hour, then condition based. If 1 hour holds, then that would help me assume that we could be bearish, especially if we can pull back into the hourly before tapping the 4 hour. Then I could assume that we'd be bearish off of the hourly. But if we rip through this hourly, then these highs look extremely obvious. So, yeah. 1 hour civvy. Strength of draw. I'll give this a 3.5. It's not super high rated. Low key, why was yesterday so... Oh, yesterday was low rated for the draw because I didn't like this candle. Huh. Okay, well anyway. Let's see. Yeah, let's see how we open. Okay. Okay, that's a nice push down. Honestly, if we get a really nice displacing candle, then I could maybe see longs. Ooh, I don't really like this generation of sell side though. We do have a 5 minute. Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna have to wait for this 5 minute. Yeah, I don't like this. 4 hours clearly not getting respected. Daily's getting absolutely ran through right now. Yeah, like look at that 4 hour close, bro. No shot I'm bullish after that. Now it's a bit annoying because we have like we had an SMT, bro. Are we serious? Brother. How the heck did I miss that? Alright, well that's a bit annoying. I mean, that gives me a lot more confidence to see shorts now, but and I don't think I really would have taken anything off that. Yeah. This 2 minute was kind of mid in my opinion. Yeah, like it was okay. Just I don't know. Like targeting a low that swept the 4 hour overall in bullish order flow. It's not smart. But we'll see. Maybe 10 a.m. open could be okay. Where are we in terms of EQ? Okay, I kind of want to see it pull back up into this one then. It's a bit annoying. Where's the... Okay, we did tap into that on ES though, so we have a nice little SMT now. Do we have... We do have a 1 minute. Okay, I don't mind this. Oh, that's a small fair value gap, bro. Either way, I think it's worth taking. Yeah, 15 minute. Yeah, bro, for sure. I didn't even realize that we tapped in that 15 minute, but that's super clean. Oh, and we have this discounted 4 hour. Okay, so that's gonna be my main draw on liquidity then. We do have some slanted lows here, clean accumulation zone. So first target's gonna be here. Just gonna have my stop at the SMT high. Second target is going to be that 4 hour. Now, I don't know, I don't know, depending on how we're moving, if we slow down before taking this, I might just close full there, but I'll see. I think this is really clean though. I mean, we have a nice little sweep of this high. Yeah, nice little 3 drive here. It's pretty clean. And then SMT into that 5 minute. We're also inside of the 15 minute. 10 a.m. open high. 15 minute open high as well. Yeah, so nice stacked PO3s. Alright, cool. Leading bearish as the 4 hour displaced through the BISI, and then now we're pretty close to the unfilled 4 hour below, and we opened a 15 minute off 10 a.m. open, and then pull back into that, and now shorts. Oh wait, and SMT with 5 minute in premium, and now 1 minute shorts plus slanted lows. And dude, honestly, this is pretty A plus. Like, I don't really see anything wrong with this. We have an SMT into the premium 5 minute. We have a 15 minute Sibi. We're also inside of a 5 minute. We have a 3 drive. We have pretty low resistance lows. Maybe if it was more low resistant, then that would be a bit better. But either way, this is an accumulation zone low. That's like less than 20 points away from this 4 hour. And really good displacement, really good wick rejection. Everything looks good to see lower here, so I really like this. See lows. We don't have a no, we don't have the 2 minute. SMT with 5 minute premium, now 1 minute shorts plus slanted lows and accumulations on lows below. I give this a 4.5. Yeah, I feel like technically it's a 4.5. I don't feel super confident. Maybe it's just because I haven't been doing as well recently. But like technically this is a great trade. So yeah, I'm more than willing to take this. That's a loss, negative 250. I think I played yesterday pretty well. I'd give it a probably like a I don't know, 8 or 9. I think a 9. I played yesterday quite well. Anyway, today we're overall bearish, delivering from soup of external, which would be previous week's high. Actually, but that's more of an internal high. We have SMT with the 1 hour. Do you have like an order block or something? What's the 4 hour saying? Oh, we're also delivering from 4 hour. Nice. Okay. We don't have. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Now we have 15 minute Sibi. Do we have an SMT? Yeah, we have that internal SMT. Actually, it's more of an external SMT. Because if it was internal, I consider internal SMTs like anything on this leg, like if that was an SMT or something. But if it's on the if it's on a different leg, then I consider it an external SMT. Oh wait, I need to do this. I would not be mad if this was a loss. I don't think so. 15 minute external. Breaker? Do we have a breaker? No. We have an order block. There's like a little 1 minute there, but not enough to count. EQ on 3 drive, yes. Session rate, no. Internal soup, yes. Yeah, okay, looks good. We have stacked PO3s like that. This is gonna be a 1 minute discounted inversion. And I'd give this a 4. 4 in terms of confidence. But I don't know, I feel decent. Like, I can't really see any reason not to take this, so dang, bro. What the fuzz, man? Okay, there's a little 2-minute short here. Bro, this is really annoying. Alright, well, I gotta stop that there. Bro, what? That's so weird. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know. Well, whatever. Just gotta hold the loss, I guess. I mean, I guess we wanted EQ of the range. 15-minute didn't inverse. We did tap into that order block. I mean, it's a better trade now, but it's still just as valid. I mean, I think this is oh wait, hold up, I didn't screenshot it from my other journal. Yeah, I don't know. We'll try this short, this 2-minute. I think that this is a pretty clean short, so really don't have much of a reason not to take it. We do have that 3-minute, so I gotta be careful to break even there. Yeah. Great trade. I guess it was unlucky. Trying this 2-minute re-entry. Dude, and 10:30 open high now? Come on. That's so clean, bro. So I guess everything's the same. Bearish, bearish. You have an OB now, EQ tap. Do we tap into OT as well? No, not quite. Do we have a 3 drive? Not really. I mean, it is 1, 2, 3, but it's not really like soups. I don't know if that matters. I would still consider it a 3 drive. Pattern's a pattern. At the end of the day. Do you have an internal soup? We have an internal sweep. It's just not. Yeah. Anyway. SMTs. No SMTs. And let's see. Where's breaker? This is the, yeah, that's a breaker as well. Okay. Alright, that's fine. We have now all of these. 2-minute discounted inversion. I don't know, bro. Like, this is so clear, man. This is such a clear inversion. I would be so surprised if this lost. Now we have generated sell side. We have an unfilled 3-minute, unfilled 2-minute, more generated sell side, and accumulation zone lows. It's got to be 4.5. Yeah. Okay, well, let's see. Well, it's gonna be break even. I mean, at least the break even saved me from a loss. That's, yeah. Break even to loss 0. And I don't know, bro, like I feel like I played today really well. This was also like a 9. I actually have no idea why this lost. Like, this was a clean trade. Only thing that maybe was a bit of an issue was how small this fair value gap was. Yeah, it was a 1 tick fair value gap, which is not great. But like, you can tell it's obviously a fair value gap just like this. You know? I don't know. Bit weird. Maybe my draw was just wrong again. Like, I don't know. What the fuzz? Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way it went again. And bro, I need to just start taking it. Like, I need to just put my stop like at all-time highs. I don't know what's going on. How, bro? That's literally happened like 4 times. We get stop rated once, and then we get stop rated again, and then it rips. And this obviously I would have TP'd because SMT. Like, bro, what? What the flip, man? I don't even know, bro. I mean, I guess could have taken the 2-minute. Would have been okay. I don't know. I feel like the 2-minute after that was just a little bit forced. Like, at that point, we're just kind of chopping. And if it doesn't work twice, why would it work the 3rd time? You know? Just doesn't really make that much sense, but whatever. I guess, I don't know. I guess maybe that it wouldn't have been horrible. Yeah, whatever. Pretty good day today. Just got stop rated once. Then BE saved me. And stop. Would have been another stop raid. And then ripped to my deal. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, not really much to say about that. It's just pretty unlucky, I'd say. I mean, what the oh, CPI. Yo, NQ is tripping, bro. Inverse the daily and then rip? Okay. Sure. Maybe I should just do the opposite of what I think. Okay, we have a little SMT. I mean, overall it looks pretty bullish. Just, I don't really like this SMT. We do have sweep of session lows, holding bullish, good bullish displacement. I guess this 30-minute could be the condition. I think that would make a lot of sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Leaning more bullish. Delivering off daily OTE, and then we had delivering off daily OTE, and then CPI pushed higher and relative equal highs with MMPM high, and then what's it called? And then below everything is showing bullish. And so the reason that I don't really care too much about this daily inversion is that 1, we tapped this order block, 2, we tapped into 705 and OTE, and yeah, just clear like really fast rejection off of that. Obviously it was because of CPI, and so this 1 hour or 30-minute or whatever it is probably just gonna be my condition. because if we fail to displace above this high, then this S&T is probably holding, and we can probably see lower to this, what would be an unfilled 4 hour. So drawn liquidity is going to be MMBM high. Condition is the 30-minute BSC. Strength of draw, I'd give this 4. I'm pretty confident in this, honestly. I really think this can hit, but I feel like it's gonna rip off open. So oh, maybe a 30-second. We do have a little 30-second right there. Oh, that's a bad time to close, man. Oh, I don't like this, bro. That's weird. We do have a 4-minute that might open. Oh. Okay, let me go back on the 4-minute and take this thing off, put on the 1-minute. Oh, I don't like that close, man. That's really weird. Oh wait, do we have an SMT at that low? No. We don't have a 30-second, right? Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, I guess the 4-minute's the only thing that we can really take, but I need to wait for confirmation on the 4-minute, because I made that mistake before and I'm not doing it again. So, okay, that looks like it's. Oh, 1 sec. Okay, looks pretty good. Did we just? I'm pretty sure we just made equal highs as well on ES. Like, especially, bro, this 5-minute looks good. Wait, are we gonna open a 5-minute there? Nah. We didn't open a 5-minute, but we do have a 3-minute. We are giving a nice 2-minute inversion out of the 3-minute. Bro, this just looks really good. I mean, I would have taken that 4-minute anyway. I don't know, this close was kind of bugging me. And also I wanted to see if we would open that 5-minute, which we didn't. Do I take a 3-minute comp, bro? I mean, I don't usually trade the 3-minute, but this is so clean. Like, super clean. Yo. I actually might have to, bro. Okay, let me get this straight. We tapped into the 30-minute. Okay. Oh, it is 10 a.m. though. Do we have something below that should be manipulated? I don't really think so. I mean, what would we have? Yeah, no, I don't think so. I think this looks pretty bullish. I think this is a really good 10 a.m. open as well. Tapped into the order blocks. Clearly holding, clear displacement off of that. Every time we try to push lower, instant rejection. Push lower into this wick, instant rejection. 3 minutes holding very nicely. Dude, I feel like this is 2A plus not to take. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. This wick tapped into CE of this rejection block. I don't really see much of a need to put my stop on this low. I don't really think that makes much sense. Like, if we're gonna be bullish, this order block should hold, to be honest. So taking a 3-minute cons. I know I don't usually, but we inversed a 4-minute and then, ooh, wait, but this is the exact same thing I did the other day when I took that loss, and I was mad pissed at myself. Yeah, but bro, honestly, like, I do honestly have a lot of conviction in this trade. Like, I know that I should be waiting for confirmation on the 4-minute. But if the 3-minute con, like I was gonna take the 5-minute con anyway if it was given to us, it just wasn't. But this 3-minute con is absolutely perfect. So I can't really see much of a reason not to rip that. Inverse the 4-minute, then pull back into the 3-minute BSC, and then super clean. It's 2-minute inversion, right? Yeah. Super clean 2-minute. 10 a.m. open low into the 1-minute RB and order block and held. Nice. And then now super good bullish displacements. I give it a 4. I think everything aligns here pretty well. We're not in discount though. No, I would not be mad. Is there any reason not to take this? Just that I don't usually take 3-minute cons, but I wanna try because I want to expand my discretion, and if there has, like, bro, I don't know. It's just like I really want to be selective here, but I feel like there's just no reason not to take this. Like I was on the verge of taking this 4-minute anyway, and then now it's just even more confirmation. So I just don't really see any reason not to take this. Spend my discretion if there has ever been a 3-minute I should take. It's this one. Wednesday, bullish. Higher time frame, we're delivering from OTE, order block, 1 hour session raid. I think that's pretty much it. Internally we have, I need to write 3-minute comments. Yeah, 3-minute for right, yeah. Yeah, so 3-minute, we have an order block, we have OTE, internally right there, we also have 705, good wick rejection, good top into this rejection block right here. We did soup internal lows. Otherwise, I guess we have a little 3 drive right here, like 1, 2, 3. But nah, not really. No 3 drive. Breaker. Yep, tap the breaker as well. $10 a.m. Do we have 9:30? We do have 9:30. It's pretty clean. 9:45. Yeah, I would say 9:45 as well. 9:45, and then 10 a.m. just because 10 a.m. did open lower into this, so I would consider that a PO3. And I do think that this is a good trade. So 2-minute discounted. Is it discounted? Yeah, slightly. Let's see. I give it a 4. Okay. Oh, that's a bit annoying. I don't really like the fact that we're not displacing immediately. Ooh, maybe I should close. Okay, I think I might just close here. Yeah, I'm just gonna close out there. Cause like, it just doesn't really make much sense to hold. Yeah, Good close. B to loss 0. Went B here because I only wanted to see this play out. Or, I mean, because major factor in this trade was displacement. Volume died right when I got in. So I think this was a pretty good trade. And I think I played it pretty well as well. Just kind of sucks that we didn't get the follow through with the displacement, but that's fine. I think that I played it well, and there will always be another trade, so who cares at the end of the day. Bro, what? Why is this not working? Oh, I think yeah, okay. Just went BE. Great BE management. Yeah, pretty happy with that. But yeah, like we could just get another entry off of this. I think this trade is good, but I want to just rarely use 3 minutes. Yeah, I don't really want to get in the habit of that, but I think in this case it was pretty clean, so let's see if we can get displacement here. That is a 3 minute. We do have a 5 minute. Although, yeah, 3 minute inversion, unfilled 5 minute with equal highs. Could maybe see it pull back into this and then longs. Hopefully, that would be nice. We have, I'll just put it at the displacing candle, because we have this 3 minutes pretty premiums. So I feel like that would make sense. Ooh. Let me just make sure that this is good though. I don't want to like take a stupid trade. Okay, so we do have the pullback into the 30 minute. We have the soup of this internal low. We have this 5 minute just above. We have 3 minute. Is this a new leg? Yeah, it is. 3 minutes to the 5 minutes, not bad. We have really clean buy side above. Super clear MD. Yeah, and I feel like this just makes a lot of sense. Wait, let me just make sure that this gets filled. Okay. Okay. Oh, wait, hold up. Quickly, first, do we have anything else that we need to manipulate? We haven't traded back into EQ. We kind of did just edge this. Yeah, we just edged CE. Don't really like that. Unless we... Yeah, we still edge CE. Maybe I should just wait for the 5 minute. That might be smarter. Because 10:30 could easily open lower. Okay. No 5 minute inversion just yet. Oh wow. That's a freaking terrible entry. Oh my gosh, bro. What the flip, bro? Okay, we have that CISD. Could just put stops like down here maybe. Yeah, 3 minute intermediate term low. Also the 3-minute like breaker type thing. Dang, bro, that's like really annoying. The one trade that I fade. And it was the only like kind of mid trade too. Do we need to trade lower on the 30-minute? No, but I feel like it would have made sense. However, now obviously it doesn't because 15-minute CISD, good rejection off of this, really good soup. Bro, now I'd be so surprised if this doesn't play out. Like, so surprised. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, souped intermediate term low inside of the 30-minute and now 5-minute IFVG and 15-minute CISD. Super clean LRL above and really good 5-minute displacement. Bro, I would honestly give this a 5. I might honestly size up on this. Like, I just see no reason that this should fail. Like, none. We don't have, like, no 1-minute BS, no. Yeah, okay, we're chilling. Bro, this is clean. This is super clean. We don't have any, like, 5-minute below or anything? No. Okay. No. No. Dang, I'm taking hella trades, bro. Bullish, bullish. All the same. We're delivering from 30-minute internal soup. Wait, do we have an SMT? No. We have no EQ. None of this stuff. Seems like that's only 2 things. That's fine though. We have 10 a.m. open low, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 10 a.m. open low, 10:15 open low. Yeah. So. And then we have 5-minute premiums. And I give this a 5. I'm like so confident, bro. Okay, I have to go break even there just because ES took out this high. Hopefully this can continue going. Might just get a pullback to the 15-minute though. I feel like that's pretty likely. But we'll see. There we go. Let's go, bro. Okay. Good. That was a good trade. Damn, bro. The SMT. Yeah. That's where you can't really see. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Yeah, so hit for 1-to-1. Really good. And A+ setup here. This was too obvious not to take. So these are the type of trades I need to be taking. Yeah. Yeah, so good win there. I think that was, yeah, 376. That's good. 376. Today was, I give it a 8.5. Yeah. Pretty good. Um, I just the only thing that kind of brings down the rating is that I did take this 3 minute, and it might have been a slight FOMO entry. Like I think it was good, but it isn't something that I usually take. And I mean, it is backtesting, so I should be doing that. But I don't know. Like at the start of the recording, I literally said the goal today is to be selective. At least I think that's what I said, unless I'm like stupid and I forgot. I don't know, but yeah. So just that kind of brings the rating down a little bit, but overall pretty happy with today. Okay, but yeah, that's like the main goal. Like for Thursday and Friday now, is I really just want to take whatever's like super obvious and like what's really saying to me to long kind of, I guess. Okay, I mean this just looks pretty clear bullish right now. I can't really see any reason that we should be bearish. I mean daily open high. Weekly is obviously running to all these highs. 4 hours in bullish displacement. London session low is sponsored, displacing above London highs. We do have a unfilled hourly right there, and that's unfilled 30 minutes. So if we could open low into that, we also have this low right here that I could see a soup on, and then yeah, if we can soup that and then run higher, then that would be pretty good. So higher time frame bias, very bullish today, just clearly displacing toward my weekly DOL, and we have a very clear condition from which I could long. Drawn liquidity is going to be weekly buy side liquidity, I guess weekly unmitigated gap. Conditions is going to be the 1 hour BISI. Draw, strength of draw, I give it a 4.5. Yeah, I don't really see any reason that this shouldn't play out. Only thing that isn't great is this. Otherwise, it's pretty good. This is also, I think, yeah, initial job disclaimers. Yeah, so not really data lows, but still a strong wick. So I would like to see lower off open. No sweep on ES. Wow, that's interesting. That is very interesting. Okay. Well, I can't take a 5 minute because it's not sponsored by anything. But it seems like this rejection wick might have held, which wasn't super prepared for. I don't know. Like, didn't really make much sense. It's not really a rejection block because we have clear sell side right below. But dang, we also have this 4 hour DM, man. I mean, if we open a 15 minute, I could see shorts or a pullback into that, and then maybe wick down into this and then longs. Otherwise, I'm not really liking anything here. Okay, tapped into that. There's the wick, and it continued. Okay. Yeah, not actually, this looks pretty bearish now. Could just be leaving that high for Friday. Did just take out daily buy side liquidity, tapped into that daily rejection block, and we have pretty much no, what's it called, no bottom wick, or like very little bottom wick on the daily. And we have this unfilled hourly right below. We have a nice yeah, honestly this looks really good. If we can get like a cont short maybe. 11 prick, man. Oh my. Yo, this is really annoying, bro. Yeah. Yeah, there's no way I would take a 15-minute, bro. That's crazy. I guess we had an SMT, but there's no true manipulation on that, so yeah, it just wasn't a good trade. SMT there. Actually, where was the SMT? I think it was on both candles. Yeah. Yeah, so SMT there, then sweep of that high. Actually really good SMT internally as well. And then this short here ended up playing out. Not super surprised, but just not really in my trading plan, so it's fine. Nothing really today. Nothing was according to my model, so I didn't take anything, and that's great. Didn't take any trades today because nothing was according to my model, so there was no reason to force anything. And again, like, if I'm taking a trade, it should be obvious. Like, I shouldn't have to like look and be like, oh shoot, we have this SMT that's like really ugly, and we haven't got any manipulation on NQ. It's just like, bro, no, I'm not doing all that. Like, if it looks good and if it looks obvious, then that's what I should be taking. If it doesn't, then I shouldn't be taking it. And that's what I did wrong yesterday with the stupid 3-minute. I mean, I didn't take a loss, but like, I mean, thank God, because I probably would have been a little bit upset. I wouldn't have been too upset because it was pretty clean, but it wasn't like super obvious. Kind of had to rationalize, kind of had to like throw it together, kind of thing. But okay, so yeah, the 12th weekly looks obviously pretty bullish here to the unfilled weekly. We now have this unfilled daily right below, daily open low, or open high, sorry. Pulling back into this daily for value gap. Ooh, relative equal lows with this 1 hour. Unsponsored Asia lows, souped out London highs. We have this unfilled 30-minute. Maybe if we get like a 5-minute IFEG or something, or I don't know, just some clean bearish structure. Low key, what's this? If we get a super quick run up like this, what the heck, yo, run up and then run straight down, inversing that, then I could just see lower back down to all of these lows, and like these lows, and like, yeah. So I'm leaning a bit more bearish here, but wait, hold up. A 4 hour, I guess 4 hour can be my condition if we do end up, or like if we displace above London session highs. Yeah, leaning a bit more bearish here off open. How long is this recording? Okay, an hour, that's fine. Leaning a bit more bearish here off open. We have daily unfilled below and a super clean daily daily rejection candle. Oh, that's really bad spelling. And bearish CRT and unfilled daily below with a clear open high and generation of sell side liquidity at session lows. Yeah, drawn liquidity is going to be price is low, yeah, and then conditions is going to be 30-minute, not really, probably just the 4 hour slash London session high. Strength of draw, I give this a 3.5. Pretty confident, but I don't really have the structure that I want to see yet in order to take anything here. Oh, So close, bro. Dang, that sucks. Oh wow, okay. Huh. Okay, maybe we're bullish then. I don't know, if we can open a 5-minute, that could be my condition. Because this 30-minute is obviously respecting pretty nicely, but... Ooh, okay. I do like this 3-minute. Oh, I don't like that 3-minute. We do have a 4-minute. Ooh, I really don't like that 4-minute. Okay, that's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. did close very bullish, inversing the 4-minute. This is really weird. I don't know, like... Maybe if we get... Okay, we do have an S&T with this low. We have 10 a.m. open low. London session lows is... I was gonna say it's protected, but I don't think it is. No, it's not. Okay. I guess this low could still be my condition. Wow. Yeah, bro, the market has no idea where it's going. Okay, I took that high. Alright, we don't have a 4 either. We have that 1 hour intermediate term high. Looks very obvious with this displacement through London session highs. Then pulled back off open into this order block. However, we did just take data highs. So, pretty mid, I don't know. Yeah. Like, I don't know, maybe if we can, like, open a 5-minute, could see something off that. Or even a 15-minute. Yeah, nothing's opening here. This is a very awkward day. Like, this structure, nah, this is honestly pretty bad. Yeah, I mean, just like drawn liquidity played out, just very awkward structure. So that's fun. Okay, so DOL played out, just very awkward structure. Okay, so I didn't want to take anything here. Yeah, only somewhat decent trade was that. What was it, like what was it? The 5-minute? No, it wasn't a 5-minute. Was it a 30-second? What the heck was it? Yeah, this whack 30-second. Wait, where was it? This? Bro, this was horrible. Wait, why was I looking at this? This time to close was like 20. Bro, that's so bad. Yeah, no, that would have been a horrible trade. Yeah, there's nothing today. Just complete chop. But that's fine, because honestly, like, most of the week was pretty clean. Even though I got absolutely killed this week. What did I take? Oh, yeah, Monday DOL played out to the objective, but then took this trade right here. Yeah, I took that trade there. Ended up failing, not really too sure why, but ran lower. Actually, ooh, okay. This was Monday, no news Monday. We had 200-point rip off open. So, okay. 200-point rip in 2022 is 1.5%. On a no news Monday, are we really expecting it to run even higher when we're chopping? I think I should have applied the fact that it was no news Monday to this, and in that case, I wouldn't have taken it. But obviously, I didn't do that. But for next time, I think I've already said this before, but yeah, that's something that I definitely need to do. Like on no news Mondays, being more risk off means like when daily objective is met, even if it's before 10, not to screw around with it, because you could definitely get burned. And then this was just absolutely stupid. I have no idea why this failed. 1 minute IFVG. Oh gosh, I gotta go all the way back. That's annoying. What the flip, bro? Okay, here. Yeah. 1 minute IFVG right there. Failed. 2 minute. Failed. And then, I don't know, I guess another 2 minute played out. Very weird. Not really too sure why. Maybe structure wasn't really good enough. I don't know, I feel like fading this was just, like, if you were to fade this is like more of a discretionary fade. Like, I feel like this was kind of like the trade on, I think it was the 21st of May. I uploaded a recap on it. Basically, it was like I took that 3 minute short, and then after there was the 1 minute caught that failed because it was kind of just like this. Like, there was like one low and then sell side, and then, but I mean, obviously, like, the draw was lower on that day, and then there was the second one, which is pretty much like this or whatever, whichever one I took. It was this one here, and then there was the second one like this, which I also took, but then it ended up just chopping, and so I just closed that break even. Kind of honestly the exact same as this. But yeah, like, and Ronan faded this, and I was like, why did you fade this? And maybe it was just like a discretionary thing. Like, maybe it was just not deep enough of a pullback, or just like too small of a 1 minute. I mean, that day wasn't. That day was like pretty A-rated, I'd say. But yeah, I think this day, that I don't really think that could have been avoided, especially like with my current level of discretion. I think this day was pretty decent. 3 minute long was mid, but really good risk management on that, and just trade management. 5 minute long was great, and then Thursday was pretty buns. We had this. We edged. Okay, Thursday was, bro. I swear, if I watched this live, I would have been so vexed. We edged this low, edged the 1 hour, go up, take out, edge this high, 15 minute IFVG, edge the 5 minute, and then dump to the draw. So we just hit all my draws and manipulated nothing. So that's just mad annoying. And then Friday was just horrible. So, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I mean, not a super good session. I think I followed my rules decently, other than maybe that 3 minute and on that Monday trade. I definitely could have done better on that. Otherwise, I think I did pretty well today. So, let me know any questions y'all have in the comments, and just any videos that y'all want to see, or anything like that. But yeah, thank you guys for sticking around and watching to the end. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Peace out.